This is the Knuth Basic 170 Super lathe. Before I'm putting it in service, I'm giving it an oil change. Yeah, these things are filled with oil, so in order to do this, you need the following. You need hydraulic fluid. It specifies a Shell 32. I decided for an AW 32. AW stands for anti-wear, 32 is the weight of the fluid. Other than that, pretty much that should fit very well. The tools you're gonna need: a funnel that can go into funny corners, a 17mm wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and because it's European, metric Allen wrenches, 5, 6, and 8mm. This is the top gearbox. The top gearbox has a fill plug right here, has a drain plug right here. This is the 17mm, there's a 5mm, there's a 6mm, there's another 17mm. It takes the whole thing off. You can take this off so that it doesn't get basically covered with oil. Release the plug and put a pan underneath here. The side glass for the oil is right here. I just changed it. You need to fill it up to about 2/3. It took about a gallon of oil. The lower gearbox, here's the drain plug. Drain about a quart out of it. It's the slide level for the lower gearbox. If you look at that, it looks like there's still some oil in there. There's not. And the fill plug is right here, so that's why you need the funny funnel. The apron, fill plug's right here. Side glass is right here, and the oil drain hole is right here. Takes a 5mm drain plug. Goes right here. This unit here, the oil was the filthiest. This is a 15-year-old machine. That's what the oil looked like when it came out. This unit was the lowest. It was about almost half a gallon low, 2 quarts low. And this had no problems whatsoever. Hope this helps. Take care.